So by now we all know how many people are becoming famous on TikTok and how many people are getting millions and millions of views and hundreds of thousands of followers on a monthly basis. People are blowing up on this platform and it's completely crazy. I certainly do believe that TikTok is on par to become the next Instagram or Facebook, or even maybe take it over. As this platform is not going anywhere, it's very new, this is the perfect time to take use of this trend. I actually want to show you how people on TikTok are making use of YouTube Shorts, such as this guy over here as well, and this guy over here as well, to get millions and millions of views. Now, this is not going to be about YouTube ad revenue. This is going to be about something completely different. Take a look at this user over here. So this guy called Tanner Wartsnoyer did what you call a 4-year natural transformation video on TikTok, and he uploaded that as a YouTube short. So for those of you that don't know, a YouTube short video is basically a vertical shaped video that's less than 60 seconds. That's what's called a YouTube short video. As far as I know, YouTube Shorts was only released in India, but the thing is, anyone can post a YouTube short. It just has to be vertical and less than 60 seconds. So as you can see, this video over here, in just 3 months, he hit 14 million views. Now, the amount of money you can actually make off this, especially with it being in the fitness niche, is actually crazy. I want to show you this guy over here as well, doing little Tesla short videos. So this guy here does, for example, this is why I bought a Tesla. In just 4 days, 142k views. Thank you very much. That easy for a 10-second video. That is completely crazy because YouTube Shorts is so new. It's blowing up completely. Take a look at this. How much does a Tesla cost? 16 seconds. Just 216k views in a week. That is crazy views. I mean, that is quickly, insanely fast growth on YouTube. And then there's one over here called a iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing, 32k views. This one over here, 72k views in just 6 days. My morning routine with Tesla. There's this person over here who's doing these little YouTube Shorts FX videos. So he does, for example, what strategies work best for trading in 56 seconds, 2.5k views. This one over here, what type of trading strategy for scalping, 21k views in just a week as a new channel, already 8.84k subscribers. I mean, this guy, as you can see, has posted 3 videos and he's already got nearly 20k subscribers. This person over here, again, he started, it looks like, about 2 months ago. Over here, he posted YouTube Shorts here, and I mean, he had one video in just 3 months, 1.1 million views in 35-second video. Just like that. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do something like this and make boatloads of money with this, not with YouTube ad revenue, with something different. But what's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? My name is Jay, back with another awesome video for you guys from the Millionaire Mindset channel, where I'm posting my daily journey of how to make money online on a daily basis every single day. So if you want to learn how to become an online entrepreneur, build an online income, work from home, go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on so I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. And in this video, I'm also going to do a giveaway that I did on my second channel, which is this page over here. So I'm basically giving away a done-for-you Udemy for passive income bullet course. So this course is all about building a passive income on Udemy. And why I'm giving away this is because I managed to get 100% off for it. And all you need to do is to get this giveaway is come over to my second channel over here, Millionaire Mindset Plus. I will leave the first link in the description to this channel, where you can go and click on my latest video that I'm going to post in a bit. In that video is the instructions for this giveaway. So definitely head over to my second channel where I'm doing the same thing, except here I'm giving away paid courses such as $200 plus courses every single day completely for free, so you don't want to miss those high value resources. So I quickly want to show you guys something. So I've been posting on TikTok every day for the past while now. You can see I've been posting on a daily basis, getting some consistent views, such as 3k views, 11k, 7k, some don't perform as well. One got 25k, 3k, 400 views, 1000 views. So my views are anywhere between 500 and I would say 4000 views per video, which is really not bad. But now what you can go and do is, and I'm actually going to give you complete permission to do this, I'll also leave a link to my TikTok page down below if you actually want to go and use these videos for TikTok Shorts. So all people are doing is they are going on TikTok, downloading these videos and uploading to them as YouTube Shorts, because they already are under 60 seconds and they already are in vertical format. So you don't need to re-record any videos in the vertical portrait mode. You don't need to edit anything. all these content pieces are made for you, and you can just go and find them on TikTok. And a good example I've got for you guys is this over here, which is someone who's in the fitness niche. So if you're in the fitness niche and you want to post these little YouTube shorts in the fitness niche, you can absolutely kill it. And I'm going to show you right now. You can absolutely kill it and make tons of money online. And like I said in the beginning, it's got nothing to do with YouTube ad revenue. YouTube Shorts is a great way and a game changer right now to really make massive money online. This person as well just posted 3 videos in his first day. His first video got 14 million views, like I explained in the intro, and he's also in the fitness niche, and he can make a killing with this. This person over here is more into Tesla, so this is also a great niche to make money into if you think about Tesla stocks and where that's going right now. So this is a good trend. This guy is very smart. This person as well into trading, quite trending right now. This guy can actually make boatloads of money. So all he can do is he can, like in these little 50-40 second videos, recommend a trading course in his description, and he can make tons of sales over there as an affiliate, or if it's his own course, and make a lot of money online with that. So you can see that there's so many different ways to monetize this other than YouTube ad revenue, but in this specific video that I'm making today actually has nothing to do with YouTube ad revenue at all. And just to show you, all these people are doing is they are placing basic links inside the YouTube video. So if I click on his video, take a look here. If I click on show more, here you can see, okay, he just has links to other YouTube videos. So he is clearly just trying to grow his channel. But what I've seen 1 or 2 other people do, let me click on this guy's video and see if I can find one. They include links to affiliate products or their own products here. So you can see this guy over here is promoting what it looks like his own course. So him with 216,000 views, let's actually click on his course link over here and see what it costs. Okay, so this guy obviously collects a mailing list with all these views. So imagine, let's say 10,000 of these people enter the email address over here. Now he has an email list of 10,000 people that he can go and promote various different affiliate products to. So not only you can directly sell products, you can collect email lists, build other platforms. So another good example, let's take a look at this person over here. Let's click on their video and see if they have a good link in the description, or a link in the description. So these people, okay, so this person is using YouTube Shorts and the power of YouTube Shorts to blow up their Twitch page to make a ton of money on Twitch through ad revenue on Twitch. I mean, 167,000 views, I'm pretty sure got them a ton of views on Twitch. So that's also a great way to blow up other platforms to monetize that platforms as well. So you don't only necessarily need to have links to affiliate products or your courses in your description, you can have links to other platforms where you can grow that and make money over there. So since now you understand how YouTube Shorts work, and you've now got access to my TikTok page where you can go and use these as YouTube Short templates. So over here, since my content on TikTok is all in the make money online niche, we want to go and find and come over to a website called clickbank.com, which is an affiliate marketplace where we can become an affiliate for various different courses. So what you can do is you can come over to e-business and e-marketing. A good course, for example, that you can use is actually John Cristani's affiliate marketing course, since a lot of my content is about affiliate marketing. So over here, you are going to get $651 per sale. But now, let's actually put this into perspective. If you go and start a YouTube Shorts page in, for example, this guy, is trying to find him now. Over here, since he is into trading, all you can do is, you can, for example, put a link in the description in these videos and say, my number 1 recommended way to make money online, plus minus $300 per day with affiliate marketing. And then all you do is, you leave your affiliate link to this course. Let me actually click on his homepage. And it actually gives you a free training over here. So you can use the free training to hook people in. And the thing is, $651, it's a very expensive course. So not everybody's going to buy this. But if you set the goal of, for example, posting daily, there's little YouTube short videos daily, and then you, let's say, focus on the goal of 2 sales a month. That's an extra $1,200 a month. And I can guarantee you, if a video like this blows up to 21k views, this guy over here who got 40 million views in 3 months, I'm not saying you're going to get 40 million views, but something like this can easily blow up, as the potential is there because of the trend right now. This could be easily 10, 20 sales in a day just because it blew up, and that's well over $6,000 in a day. That's the potential of something like this. That's why virality is so key with this, and that's why you need to take use of this trend. So what I'm actually going to do is, I've actually created my own channel called Millionaire Mindset Shorts. What I would like you to do is, I'm going to go post, I've posted on this channel before, like a year ago, I was posting a few videos, but I'm going to revamp this channel, and I'm going to post YouTube Shorts on this channel. I'd like you to go and follow this channel. I'll also leave a link down below, so we can go and see how this grows. We can go and see the kind of views I get with my YouTube Short videos, to kind of test how quickly we can grow this channel. So I'd really love for you to join this journey. Come over to this channel here, Millionaire Mindset Shorts J Froneman. I'll leave a link down below, and let's follow this channel and see where it goes. So once you've created your channel, just like I have over here, you need to come back to TikTok, find a content creator in your own niche, or just scroll through the homepage and you can use videos from there and title those videos on YouTube. So let's choose this one over here. What we're going to do is, let me just turn this volume off. What you need to do is copy the link to this entire TikTok video over here. Choose your TikTok video, obviously on your mobile phone or your desktop. Then you want to come to this platform over here called tiktokdownloader.org, where we can go and download TikTok videos. Paste the TikTok URL, click on check video, and then it's going to say this video is available for download. You can click on download video, and over here you can click on these dots, click on download, and then it's going to save it to your PC. Then what you can go and do is you can just kind of watch this video, get an idea of what the topic is. So you can see this video is all about Fiverr, how to make money on Fiverr. So you can, for example, go create a YouTube short, $2,000 earned on Fiverr, here's how, and you just like leave this as a thumbnail. You can see these guys over here are not putting any fancy thumbnails. I mean, this is just literally a screenshot from the actual video, and 167k views in the week. This guy over here, again, 14 million views. He just did like a screenshot of that actual video. It's no fancy thumbnail or anything. This guy as well, he's not posting any fancy thumbnails. He's just leaving the default thumbnails that YouTube recommends him when he uploads his video. So that's the best way to go about this. Then in the description of this TikTok video you have now downloaded on YouTube, you go and recommend in the description, and you can edit this a bit and say link in bio for #1 way to make money online. You can say, here's my #1 recommended way to make money online with affiliate marketing. Leave a link to your affiliate link to this ClickBank course, and you then get a whole bunch of clicks. A video blows up to, let's say, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 views. Now you're getting consistent clicks on your affiliate link. That could be 1 or 2 sales a week, which is now an extra $1,200 a week. Your channel could eventually blow up to a point where you're getting a sale every single day. And if you also want to record or edit any of these videos yourself, you can easily come over to a website called Open Broadcaster Software, or obsproject.com. This is the screen recorder over here that I use to record my screen. If you want to record YouTube shorts or anything like that, you can also use a editor called openshot.org. These are 2 completely free programs. So this is a great little program to edit your videos, less than 60 seconds if you want to do any editing or work on any YouTube shorts yourself. Otherwise, you can just use the ones of TikTok. But I suggest try focus on building your own ones as well in various different niches. And these are 2 definite tools you can go and use, which is Open Broadcaster Software, which is used to record your screen. You then drag that recording into OpenShot, where you can edit it, make it landscape, edit the size, any of the sounds, any effects that you want to add. It's all there for you. And guys, I really recommend you guys to try and take look and notice of this trend and really jump onto this trend. I mean, this person over here in just 1 month literally just called boxing class, 1 minute long, 17 million views. That's crazy growth. You have no idea. They're already close to 100k views, and they've only posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. Imagine posting 6 videos and nearly getting your YouTube play button. That is crazy. That is crazy growth, all with the power of YouTube Shorts. So I definitely recommend go and give this a try. I'm not saying you could blow up as quickly as these people, as quick. It's possible. Some of you might grow faster, some of you might grow slower. It all depends on who the algorithm favors. So definitely go out there and give this trend a shot. Don't forget to go follow me on TikTok over here so you can get an idea of what these YouTube shorts look like and how they work. So what I'm going to do is, on the screen above is going to be a playlist to my YouTube course that I've uploaded on YouTube for free. So this is a compilation of all the videos and YouTube courses that I've made on YouTube for free. This is information that I have learned from many paid courses on videos that I've now posted on YouTube for free, all listed and filed nicely in one easy playlist. So if you want to grow your channel even more, learn about different tools to rank your videos, blow your videos up to make it favor the algorithm, this playlist will definitely help you a lot. So definitely suggest go and click on this playlist above. Don't forget to come over here to my second channel, click on my latest video to get that giveaway. But until then, take care, and I'll see you on this playlist over here. So make sure to click over here.